High blood pressure does not start in one day, and it does not start with medicine. It starts quietly, inside the body. Today, let's understand the real cause of high blood pressure. In a simple way, blood pressure is the force of blood pushing against your blood vessels. This pressure is normal and necessary. The problem starts when this pressure stays high for a long time. High blood pressure is not a single disease. It is a body reaction. A reaction to constant stress, poor sleep, excess salt and processed food, lack of movement, and long-term tension inside blood vessels. When blood vessels stay tight for too long, the heart has to push harder. Over time, the vessels lose flexibility. This is when pressure becomes high blood pressure. Most people feel nothing at first. No pain, no warning. That's why high blood pressure is called a silent condition. Long sitting, fast food, phone use late at night, mental pressure without rest. The body keeps adjusting until one day it cannot. The body does send signals. Frequent headaches, dizziness, tiredness, heavy feeling in the head. These are not random. They are body messages. Medicine controls numbers, but understanding the reason is how the body truly improves. High blood pressure is not sudden. It is built silently daily. When you understand the reason, you understand your body. This is body reason.